Got asked about the lights the other day. All the lights turn on and off with a switch. I have a tail light, I think. Okay, so I pull the brake. Got brake lights. Alright. I got turn signal. Turn signal. So, anyways, this is a bright little bugger. The other thing that it does, and it can't see me well in the dark here. Got a horn. Alright, so I mounted my headlight there. The horn is inside the light. Here is, left, right, headlight. So, anyways, the power system on this takes 12 to 48 volts. So, what I did is I saw a bunch of people do this online. They used a De-Walt battery and did the little half bracket to the seat thing, like most do. So, it is all watertight and everything, but, easy way to, I could do this one-handed, right? There we go. So, lock it in. There we go. Now you know the battery ain't coming out. So, easy to charge. That's how I did it. Just the battery, easy. Drill battery. Pop it right out, locks in place. You know it ain't gonna fall off. Stick it on the charger and charge it. So, that is the lighting system. Alright, so here is, it is a GPS speedometer. And what it is last time I went, my last ride was 6.27 miles. So, it keeps track of the total distance. You could plug this into the USB port in the computer. There's an app too, whatever. And download it. That's how I usually do my Google Maps for my trips and stuff when I come back. So you just put it on there and it shows the whole thing. This has 3.7 hours on it currently. It is an hour meter / RPM. So the way that works, there's a wire comes down here. You have to wrap it 10 times around your spark plug wire. And it picks up the electrical signals of the spark, and it brings it back to relay the information so you know what the RPM is. So anyways, this is great for doing like maintenance because you got to do the oil and stuff in this. And this I use on both bikes actually, and I just download the stuff on it. So, but that's how I keep like a running total, like how many miles they go and stuff. So, anyways, this comes right off. It's rechargeable USB. This has those little lithium ion round batteries. Thing lasts like 10 years if you leave it on permanently. So, anyways, alright, peace.